It is capable of producing 200 square meters of concrete a day. A car can realize the feeding, mixing, transportation, unloading, and other functions of the self-feeding mixer truck. Today it comes using the Hyundai 4105 supercharged engine. The power can reach 85 kilowatts. Strong power using 5.5 square increased fierce steel tank. Strong mixing system, efficient mixing material faster. Cab and drum can be synchronized rotation to achieve bidirectional driving. Turning radius of only 6 meters. Mountainous areas of small road construction site, easy to turn around. Closed cab, safe and comfortable. Flexible operation, convenient machine construction. Only 1 to 2 people can repair roads and build houses, can also be hit the ground based on the construction of bridges.